In this tutorial I will show you how to add images to your website, and to do this you need to use the images tool at the top here. So you need to click on the area of your website that you want the image to be inserted, wherever that may be. And so we're going to put an image in here in between this text and that text, and so you need to be on the common setting there at the top. If you can't see the images, it's probably because you're on a different setting like the layout or form setting. So you need to be on common setting, click on where you want the actual image to be, then click the images button. You'll then need to find the actual image within your file. So we've got one here that's, let me just see, cover, here you go, and it's in my document. So you just click that file. Now the next bit's quite important. So what it's saying now is that we're going to have to put a copy of the actual file on the server. So it's asking if we want to do this. Obviously you will need it on the server, so that when the website asks for the image is on the server ready to display. So we'll click yes. Okay, so now it's brought up the actual original file that all the files get saved to. Now it needs to go into the public file, so the file where all your other website files are, that's where it needs to be. So if you make sure you double click into the public HTML file, and then you'd need to save it into the area where indexes your index page and all the other pages. So it would usually be inside here, public underscore HTML, but I've got some other subdirectories. So in mine it's in template 1, and this is where I'd save it here, so that it's in with the index page and all my other pages, but you'd save it under the public underscore HTML file where your index page will be. So we'll save the image, so we click save. Okay, now you can see the images come up. Now whatever size the image has been exported out of your image program as, it will come up on the screen. So you can see that this is a bit bigger than what we need, because it's actually stretched the page across there. So we'll minimize this. You can do this just like you would in any other program. You just drag the corners, click and drag the corners down. When you've done that, if you just click off it, and then the page realigns and it will put it into the right size. So there you go, that's done, and you can see that the image is actually in there now. So now when you upload, we'll go to the remote view, which is the server view, and we'll click on index and we'll click upload. Now you'll see that when it uploads, it will upload the image now as well. So we'll click yes, it's been modified, and it's uploading, and you'll see it's uploaded that. Now it's just uploading the image there, look. So there it goes, and it's uploading that, so it's on the server, so it's ready for when the website requests it, the image will be on there. So if I just click through and actually show you that, just bear with me a second while I bring this up. Okay, so now you can see the website load, and there you see the image is actually on there that we've just put on there now. So that's how you upload an image onto there. If you wanted to upload multiple images, so for example you wanted 2 images at the top here in line with each other, and then you wanted them to continue with another 2 different ones down, for example you were doing testimonial images or updating them, you will need to play around with layout boxes. So that can be done all through the layout settings, which is up here, and you click layout, and you've got standard and layout and expanded. We only use layout and standard to alter the box sizes, and you can reduce them down and you can delete bits out. But if you need any help with that, just drop us an email and we can assist you further with that. But that's how you insert images anyway. And if you need to if you didn't get any of that clearly, you can go back to the start of the tutorial and watch it again, and pause it and play it at any time you want.